Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement on this one today, especially right off the level of support that I talked about in the video from Monday. So you can see right here the price gapped down a little bit, came down, back tested this area right there, and then from that point got a very, very nice bounce in the upwards direction. So this area down here at 38.50 remains that key level of support from more of an overarching standpoint. As far as, where this thing settle now and what I would consider the ideal level of support, meaning, okay, hey Clay, what would this, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can now stay up above the $41 mark, that would certainly be a very preferable situation, because in the very near term, if the price were to come down here and then break down through 41, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? Absolutely not, because again, you still have the price up above 38.50, but that would imply that now all of a sudden you have a situation where the price has gone right back inside of this sideways channel that it just broke out of. And, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of all this, if the price can at least stay above 41, so maybe it pulls back and then behaves like that, at that point in time, you'd at least still have the overall progress by not even having the price having fallen back into that channel. But again, if it does fall into the channel, that doesn't mean everything's destroyed. The big sign of bearishness would be if it, falls back into the channel and then goes all the way down to 38.50 and then falls to the downside of that channel. That would be a problem, from the bullish perspective at that point. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, very curious about this resistance trend line here going forward. You can see it got rejected a couple times today. So if the price can get a good high volume break of that level, then yeah, there seems to be quite a bit more upside that's possible. So nice recovery today, nice bounce. Let's see if the bulls can build upon it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.